2020 में ग्लोबल ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट मार्केट की वैल्यू 17.56 बिलियन डॉलर्स हुई और ऐसा एक्सपेक्टेड है कि 2028 तक एनुअल ग्रोथ रेट 12.2% तक बढ़ने के चांसेस हैं। इंडियन ह्यूमन रिसोर्स टेक्नोलॉजी इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन एंड अर्बनाइजेशन के सहारे फंक्शन करता है and that has resulted in the increasing number of corporate organizations. We know that you are capable of resolving conflicts. We know you have that knack of assessing candidates. We know you can master human resources. We know that you can do everything that a great HR professional can do. But we also know you are unable to find the right opportunity. Well, look no further. Expertrons PRO. यहाँ हम आप जैसे एस्पिरेंट्स को इंटेंसिव ट्रेनिंग देते हैं to kickstart your career with a guaranteed job in numerous domains. With our 100% job guarantee program, which consists of soft skill training, domain skill training, referral, and interaction with 6,000 plus experts, mock interview with industry experts, and a lot more. We promise to make your career better at every step. Enroll now.